Hello everybody, welcome to Craftive. For today's craft, we'll be making the birthday plate from our birthday series. Hey Mom, can you come join me?
These plates are super cute and easy to make. Let's get started. Cutting out the stickers is the first step. Make sure you choose an all-plastic sticker. A good way to tell is hold it up to the light and see if it's transparent. Then arrange them, leaving the center open. Once you have them spaced just as you like, start peeling off the backs and apply a little pressure. Make sure you have no air bubbles. A fun way to personalize this plate is to use your vinyl cutting machine, the Cricut or the Silhouette, and make your own stickers. Remember that these plates are hand wash only.